Oh boy. So we get a call. They've been working on this trailer for several days and they can't figure out the problem. And they're working with this. Nice piece of equipment. But it's kind of one of those things. One thing led to another, that led to another, that led to another. I think when I got here, this thing was just shredded. But the one thing I did notice is this right here was at 6.5 volts, the internal battery. So if you turn it on, it illuminates because it's all low voltage. So I think part of their problem was their test contraption was, the system was too low, and when they try to run the, anyway. And then it has this. I think that combined with low voltage, combined with whatever the original problem was, put them in a tailspin. They crashed and burned. So I showed up and I went to town, starting off with this junction box or power distribution box. That's the way to go, guys. It's the only way to go. That's a nice tool. That's a real nice tool. You just got to make sure it's fully charged. Hey, thanks for watching.